This resource doesn't just hit Standard 2.4 of the AITSL standards, it also engages in Standard 1.4, Strategies for Teaching Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Students, Standard 1.5, Differentiate Teaching to meet the specific needs of students across the full range of abilities, Standard 2.1, Content and Teaching Strategies of the Teaching Area, and Standard 3.4, Select and Use Resources. As well, it also hits the cross-curricular priority Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander histories and cultures. Suffice to say, addressing this many recognised educational standards is further confirmation that this is a legitimate educational resource. Yalunga is also a text that supports improvement of professional practice. Yalunga breaks down the games into easy-to-follow steps, has recommendations for age and year level, and reasonable adjustments or variations for some games, to allow for more accessibility for all. This makes it a hugely practical resource for teachers to be able to pick up and use in the classroom. As an example, this card explores the game Apuate, with pronunciation presented under the name and the recommended age and year level. It includes information such as background and language to give cultural context for the game, providing the tools to take it beyond just a game to play. Having these details supports the respectful and understanding of other cultures in this space. It then gives all details teachers need to plan for the game in easy-to-read sections, including the players, area required, equipment needed, how the game works, scoring, and how long it will run for. As well as that, it provides variations on the game, which as mentioned before have been discussed and created with Indigenous communities to ensure even the changes keep the game authentic. It also has a list of teaching points that highlight the skills being used in the game. By being easily accessible to all, practical for classroom teachers and educators to use, and highly respectful and understanding of Indigenous cultures and histories, this resource certainly has the potential to support improved professional practice. I highly recommend it as a resource for your classroom.
Created using Powtoon.